Welcome to Tranquil State. As we begin, place your feet gently on the ground. And imagine the earth beneath you, holding you steady. Slowly inhale, letting your lungs fill completely. And exhale, releasing every ounce of pressure you've been carrying today. Today's meditation is about surrender, the holy act of letting go and letting God lead. Proverbs 3, verses 5 and 6 say, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight." Take a quiet moment to ask yourself, what have I been gripping too tightly? Where have I been trying to lead instead of follow? Picture these things resting in your hands. Then imagine opening your palms slowly and letting them fall gently into God's care. Breathe deeply. Feel the release. Feel the relief. God never asked you to carry the weight alone. He asks you to trust, to yield, to lean on Him more than you lean on yourself. Repeat softly in your heart, "I surrender this to you. I choose to trust your plan." I let go and I let God. Feel your spirit lighten, your body relax, and your path becoming clearer in His presence. Rest here for as long as you need. You are safe to surrender. You are safe in Him.